I'm willing to bet that you probably haven't put much thought into ever needing to create your own hand sanitizer. For the most part, you can find it anywhere, and it is usually pretty cheap in a variety of different scents, colors, and styles. With everything that's going on in our world today regarding the coronavirus, there is a good chance that if you head into any of the stores where you typically buy hand sanitizer, you'll see the shelves are completely empty with little to no chance of getting any more anytime soon. If you are digging through your car and your purse and notice that you are either running low or that you may be completely out, there is no need to panic, as you can make your own hand sanitizer with a few items you may have laying around your bathroom or with a quick trip to your local pharmacy. As you may be searching the internet, you will most likely see that there are two main formulas out there. In this video, we will be telling you how to make the one that is gentler on your skin, which also most likely closely resembles the look and feel of the stuff that you are used to purchasing at your local store. While this one is much easier on your hands, we are also making a second video where we will show you how to make the hand sanitizer that is being recommended by the World Health Organization, which I will link below this video. But before we get started, can you do us a favor and gently tap that like button? We also suggest that you subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon. This way we will be notified anytime we release new videos about other natural home remedies and recipes. So without any further ado, let's get started. One thing I would like to point out before we get into the recipe is that you need to understand that simply squirting a little hand sanitizer on your hand is by no means a full substitute for washing your hands with warm water and soap. Alcohol-based hand sanitizers may be used in a pinch if you are getting gas or using a credit card pin pad, or if you just aren't near a sink. In this case, make sure to use at least 3 milliliters and rub it into your hands for at least 30 seconds. To get started, let's take a look at the tools and utensils that you will need to make this specific hand sanitizer. This formula will make about 3.5 cups, which is also about 28 to 30 ounces. You will need a clean and sanitized bowl to mix your solution in. You will need a measuring cup. You will need measuring spoons. You will need a whisk. And you will need enough lotion bottles or sanitizer to hold 28 to 30 ounces of hand sanitizer product. Here is a list of the ingredients that you will need to make your hand sanitizer. You will need 1 cup of at least 91% isopropyl alcohol, or in other words, rubbing alcohol. You will need 1/2 cup of aloe vera gel. You can use all natural, or you can go and use store-bought. You will also need about 15 drops of any essential oil that you have around the house or that you can find at any of your health food stores or other large retailers. Tea tree oil is the best, but if you would like to have any other scent, you can easily substitute any oil or multiple oils to get the scent that you prefer. I personally absolutely love lavender. So let's dig in and learn how we put all of this together to make your own do-it-yourself hand sanitizer. First step, you will pour 1 cup of alcohol into a medium container with a pouring spout. While you may notice that some recipes online say that you can use vodka, we want you to know that most vodka is only 35 to 40% alcohol, so it might not be as effective as using actual rubbing alcohol. Also, if you're using isopropyl alcohol or rubbing alcohol diluted to anything less than 91%, you'll be making a sanitizer that is actually weaker and will not reach the recommended at least 60% alcohol mark. Next, you'll need to measure out 1/2 cup of aloe vera gel and gently pour it into the bowl. So why aloe vera? Well, alcohol is known to be very hard on your skin, so using aloe vera is a great way to counteract the effects of alcohol in your hands and actually help moisturize. One thing to note is if you're using natural aloe vera instead of store-bought, you need to know it's actually much thicker than the store-bought gel. So it'll make your hand sanitizer more sticky, meaning that you need to rub your hands together much longer to get it fully absorbed. Next, you need to add 15 to 20 drops of your essential oil to the mix. We recommend tea tree oil as it's a natural antibacterial that smells fantastic. With that being said, feel free again to substitute any other essential oil scents that you might love. Personally, we've used lavender, lemongrass, eucalyptus, orange, lemon, or any mixture of those combined together can all be added together to create the scent that you desire. Once you have all the ingredients added to your bowl, you want to whisk it all together until it's thoroughly mixed, creating a homogeneous gel. Before adding your sanitizer to the bottles that you plan on using, you need to sanitize the bottles. Again, you're putting something into a bottle, you want to make sure the bottle's actually clean. If you have a little extra alcohol left over, we recommend actually adding that to the bottles and giving them a shake, stirring everything up. Let them sit until the alcohol is evaporated, and then you can pour your sanitizer mixture into the bottles. Once your creation is complete, you need to find a way to label your bottles, as you don't want any accidents and want everyone to be clear of exactly what is actually in the bottles. Come up with a creative name that brings a smile to your face anytime that you need to use it. We all know that during this time of the coronavirus, we all need something to look forward to. If you'd like to learn more about some of the best home remedies for everything from simple colds, indigestion, to making your own soaps and cleaners that can save you tons of money, check out the links below to learn more. Also, if you found this video helpful, let us know by liking and sharing the video with anyone that might be looking for a great at-home recipe for hand sanitizer. Also, be sure and subscribe to our channel, as we are putting out 2 to 3 videos every week discussing all of the proven home remedies and treatments. Thank you all for watching, and especially during times that are going on right now, stay safe and have a great day.